You can do it. We are going to fix this today. There is hope for you. Today we're discussing Pamela, a young 20-something from a good family. But here, she wanders into a situation without even being prepared or knowing what she's getting into. Before you participate in a venture, be sure that you will make a positive contribution and that your involvement will add value. Be able to spell out how you will benefit an enterprise. That way, you won't get hung up with uncertainty. I'm Dr. Torpor, and the infinite cures all hang-ups.